Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. I actually wanted to talk to you about the current scenario or situation in India and also the whole world. We've been facing this situation from past year and it's looking like never-ending situations. I think I'm reliving 2020 with its worst version. Last year exactly at this time there was a surge in cases. People were panic and people didn't knew what exactly it is, but exactly after a year now people know what it is, but still there is a crazy surge in cases, guys, especially in Maharashtra, Mumbai. The situation is really bad here and it's getting worse to worst. I just wanted to talk my heart out regarding this. Last year at this time, we had cases increasing, we had no vaccines, people didn't know what to do, so it was a very crazy situation. But right now, people know what is COVID, and vaccines are here, and still there is a huge rise in cases every day. The in Mumbai the situation is not that great. There are no beds available. People are dying just because they do not have medical facilities readily available, and plus this new strain of the virus, the COVID virus, new strain, it's very dangerous, guys. A lot of people in 30s and 40s are also losing their lives due to this new COVID strain. Right now also I see people going for morning walks, evening walks, and also after dinner walks. Please don't do that, guys. Please don't do that. Looking at the situation right now, survival is the topmost priority. We need to survive this. We need to fight this virus together. I'm fortunate enough to be working in IT industry wherein we have been given work from home from last year, so I'm really grateful for that. But I understand people who need to go out to earn their bread and butter. For them it's quite a challenge, but take all necessary precautions. Do not take this virus lightly. I know quite some people who've been fighting this virus, and few of them have also lost their lives owing to this virus. And trust me, guys, it wasn't their time. It's just not fair according to me. I want you guys to take utmost care of yourself and your family. Don't even give 0.1% of chance to this virus to ruin your life, to ruin your family's life. Stay away from this virus, stay at home. Go out only when it's really urgent. Try and understand the means wherein the groceries can come to your place directly without you going out. Try and see if you can help out other people during this pandemic situation, guys. Let's fight this virus together. Let's just stay united, and I literally have no words to say, but take care, guys, and take care of your families. They are the most important people of your life. Do not go to meet out with friends. Do not just go out. Stay at home. Only people who are working, you guys, just take care, guys, and educate anyone whom you meet. Like if it's a helper or a caretaker that comes to your place, educate them about this, and just be together. Just understand the gravity of the situation and act accordingly, guys. I'm really sorry if I'm taking up your time, and I'm really sorry if you think I'm trying to scare you. Yes, I am trying to scare you, but don't panic. Just be strong and develop your immunity by having kadha and having haldi wala doodh, and just take care, guys. Take care.